Hi, my name is Marcus Isaac. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a tutorial of Savage Universal's recently released backdrop travel kit. Stay tuned. Okay, so I was excited to see that Savage Universal has a new product. I'm a fan of their products. So I picked up the backdrop travel kit. Here it is. They have two sizes. They have the 5x12 and the 5x7. And I figured let me start out small, so I got the 5x7. Here it is in the box. I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what we have here. As always, instructions. Nifty little carrying case, as they always provide you with a case for all their products, which I really like a lot. Okay. This up. Two snap buttons, two zippers, and another little pouch. Let's see what's in here. Alright. So it comes with a white backdrop. Okay, and I saw on their website that they have black. This is white, obviously. They have gray, and they also have green if you like doing composite photo shoots, which is really nice. And it's a nice, soft polyester backdrop. Again, it's 5x7. Right, so put this to the side, and here's the product. Very nice. Put that to the side. And this is what we have. Okay. So just opening it up, seeing what it looks like. Not even putting it on the floor yet, but it is star-shaped. And it's a nice little compact backdrop. Let's put it here on the table. I don't know if it goes out of view just yet. Okay. But this is the base right here, apparently. So here's the product, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to move the table out the way, and I'm gonna set it up. I'm going to extend it to show you what it looks like. But here is the stand in itself, all right?
Okay, so here's the travel kit, which comes with a nice carrying case. What I love about this product is how lightweight it is. It comes with a 100% plush polyester opaque backdrop. Again, it has an extra case for the stand itself, which is a nice little addition. It folds in the middle to separate the upper and lower parts. To my right are the three standing legs, of which one articulates to level upright or even help position it into unlevel flooring or terrain. To my left are the three upright arms used to hang your color backdrop of choice. The center slider helps to position the background as it expands. The screw here tightens the base when placed in its correct or desired position, simply to keep it leveled and sturdy. Each of the three standing legs have two extenders to adjust to your desired height. The center of the stand has a clipping mount that connects the top and bottom halves to ensure stabilization. The upper three arms equally have two extenders to adjust height and have hooks to drape the backdrop onto. Here, I'm focusing on the rear center leg to adjust leveling the travel kit. The backdrop has 5 metal grommets along the top and bottom for hanging. The star-shaped arm design pulls the backdrop taut to eliminate wrinkles. After placing your backdrop on all 5 hooks, you can fully extend the arms and finally focus on the center one to adjust, maintaining a good taut, wrinkle-free backdrop. The entire setup only took me about 2 minutes. This is the perfect addition to your gear if you are an event or wedding photographer. The white background that comes with the travel kit is such a convenient on-the-go, on-location setup. I did in fact pick up the 5x12 black backdrop. As you can see here from the side view, it extends nicely. I took some photos here with model Brianna. Check out a couple of the photos we took with just one light. I hope you enjoyed and found this unboxing and demonstration helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to see when I'm posting new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.